We'll guide you through how to back up your Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Google account by opening any web browser and typing in myaccount.google.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Google account page, look for the Data and Privacy tab on the left sidebar and click on it. Scroll down until you find the Download or Delete Your Data section. Here, you need to click on Download Your Data. This will take you to Google Takeout, where you can select the data you want to back up. By default, all Google services are selected, but if you only want to back up Gmail, click on Deselect All first, then scroll down and check the box next to Mail. You have the option to select specific mail labels if you don't want to download everything. Once you've made your selection, scroll to the bottom and click on Next Step. Here, you can choose how you want to receive your data. You can opt for a download link via email, or have it added to your cloud storage like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box. You also have the option to choose the frequency of backups, either a one-time download or scheduled every 2 months for a year. Select the file type and size. Zip files are a popular choice because they're easy to open. After setting your preferences, click on Create Export. Google will begin the process of creating your archive, which might take some time depending on the amount of data. Once it's ready, you'll receive a notification via email with instructions on how to access your backed up data. It's a good idea to store your backup in a secure location to ensure your emails are safe. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your Gmail. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.